Hello and what's up everybody. Today we are going to hunt the feline armor. You can call it the cat school armor, but before going into the quest we need to go through some requirements. There are only two requirements. The first thing is you need to be at level 17 to equip this armor, and the second thing is you have to complete the level 6 quest by Kira. Then she will give you an item which will let you get inside the cave. Otherwise you won't get inside the cave. She'll give you an item which will let you interact with those rocks. Okay, so make sure to complete that. So first we are going for the gauntlet, trouser, boots and armor. The first location you have to visit is this location. Just fast travel to Elector Square at Novigrad, and after that just follow me.
Prices again.
Just look at the opposite of that signpost and you will find these stairs. Just go downward and then go forward, downward again, follow this path, and then from here you just need to turn right, and now just go forward till you find the cave. Wants to remind you guys, the cave will not be open for you. You will find some rocks here, but it's open for me because I've already interacted with those rocks. So make sure to complete the level 6 Kira's quest first. Okay, so when you get inside the cave you will find a Goleth here. You can fight him if you want, or just directly move forward towards the path in the left. Okay, just follow this path, climb on these rocks, and then on your right, left, you'll find these statues. Now you will face a little puzzle here. You need to make these statues face towards the pond. So in order to do that you need to use these handles, and then these statues will move and you need to make them face towards this pond. Okay, after all of them facing to the middle, this little pond will open up and you'll find 3 drowners here. Okay, just kill them with your crossbow and dive inside this pond. After diving inside, just use your witcher sense and you will find a chest here which will contain a key. Just grab that key and go back. Okay, by the way, I've already picked that key, so it's not showing up for me. Okay, so that's the location where we fought with that monster. Just go forward from here and then you'll find a gate which is locked, but you have the key, don't worry. Okay, then you have to fight this guy. This guy is little tough, so make sure to activate the Quen sign before getting into this battle and throw some bombs on him. And you can watch this fight or just skip this fight if you want. After he's dead, just loot his body and you'll find the gauntlets, boots, armor and trouser of the feline set. And don't forget to loot the whole room because you'll find some pretty good stuff here. Now just fast travel to the lighthouse. Let me show you the map location. So that's the location where you need to fast travel. Okay, after fast traveling here, you'll see a lake, and beyond that lake you'll see a ship. You just need to go onto that ship. Let me just fast forward till we reach there. After reaching onto the island, just get into that ship. After climbing into that ship, just go downward and you'll find this chest containing the feline crossbow, and make sure to read this note, so it will reveal the location of the feline swords. There's also a guarded treasure here on this island, so you can fight this monster if you want. By the way, I love to fight these kind of monsters, so I am taking him on. Now for the silver sword, just fast travel to this location, East Tyre, stated here. Just fast travel on to this signpost. Just go through these stairs. Ignore these guys. You don't have to fight anyone here. It's very easy to get this sword. And after going into it, just look for a broken wall. Yeah, here it is. Just execute a art to break the wall. Just go into it, and then you'll find this silver sword diagram. Again, don't forget to read those notes, and it will reveal the location of the steel sword. Now let's go for the steel sword. So for the steel sword, just fast travel to this location called Dream Castle. Just fast travel to the Dream Castle, and then just follow me. I don't know what's happening with my horse, just ignore him. And to go through this gate, you should execute a art again. Now go down. Make sure to loot the other stuff also. There's a pretty good loot here. But the main thing we came here for is here. So here's the diagram of the steel sword. Now we have collected all the diagrams of the feline set. Now I'll show you where to build it. So in order to build the armor, just fast travel to the Novigrad gate and come at this armorer at this location on the map.
Greetings again.
Ask him to craft something for you.
You're in. Oh, that's fantastic.
So long.
You'll also find a blacksmith in that same city. You just have to come at this location. So we were here here somewhere where we built our armor, and for the blacksmith, just come at this location. And now ask him to craft something for you. He can build both of the feline swords.
Will you... You will.
So here's how you will look like after equipping the feline armor. Yeah, I haven't built the crossbow because I can't equip it till level 29, so I'm just skipping it for now. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, just comment below. But oh no, we have created some mess here. Okay, I think I should stick with my griffin armor.